We all know ChatGPT has already made waves in the AI space, but now it's gone one step further. OpenAI has introduced the ChatGPT agent, and this thing can actually execute tasks autonomously, like browsing the web, filling out forms, and get this, it can even bypass CAPTCHA. You heard that right. No more worrying about those annoying "I'm not a robot" tests. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more AI top stories. Today, we're diving deep into this new feature and talking about what this could mean for the future of AI. So stick around, hit that like button, and let's get into it. First things first, let's break down exactly what ChatGPT Agent is. ChatGPT Agent is essentially an upgraded version of the ChatGPT we all know and love. But here's the twist. It can now perform actions on your behalf. Imagine this. Instead of just providing information or suggestions, it can now take real-world actions, like booking appointments, interacting with websites, filling out forms, or even sending emails, all without you needing to lift a finger. It's like having your very own personal assistant. So instead of just responding to your commands or answering questions, ChatGPT Agent can actually execute those tasks for you. If you need to sign up for a service, it could do that. Need to make a purchase or fill out a complex form? ChatGPT Agent has got it covered. It can even interact with third-party apps to get things done. This is no longer just a chatbot. It's a virtual assistant that can handle real-world responsibilities. The main draw here is that ChatGPT is evolving from a simple assistant to a task-executing machine. It's not just about delivering information. It's about doing things for you. How cool is that? Now, let's talk about how this all works. ChatGPT Agent isn't just about asking it to do something and hoping for the best. It's powered by advanced AI algorithms that allow it to navigate the web, process information, and perform actions in real time. It can interact with different types of websites and services, just like you would. For example, say you need to book a flight. You can tell ChatGPT Agent, find me the cheapest flights from New York to LA next week. And it will not only find the flights, but also fill out the form for you, select your seat, and potentially even enter your payment info if you've set that up. It's like a personal assistant that can do the things you'd normally do on your computer or phone, but much faster. It gets even crazier. ChatGPT Agent can also handle tasks that involve multiple steps, like bypassing security tests. We all know how annoying CAPTCAs are, right? Well, now ChatGPT Agent can handle those too. It's a perfect example of how autonomous AI is getting. So now that we know how ChatGPT Agent works, let's talk about real-world applications. This feature is honestly game-changing in several industries. Let's say you're a busy entrepreneur who needs to manage multiple tasks, like responding to emails, scheduling meetings, or gathering information. You could use ChatGPT Agent to automate all of that. Instead of juggling everything yourself, you simply tell ChatGPT what you need, and it does the work for you. For students, this could be a huge time saver. ChatGPT Agent could fill out forms for scholarships, apply for internships, or even send follow-up emails to professors without you having to do anything. Imagine how much time you could save. Then, for businesses, ChatGPT Agent can handle customer service tasks, manage social media accounts, or even process orders, everything that needs to be done online. It's almost like having an entire virtual workforce that works 24/7. Now, with great power comes great responsibility. And as cool as ChatGPT Agent is, there are definitely some ethical concerns we need to consider. Let's talk about privacy. Since ChatGPT Agent can interact with your accounts and fill out personal forms, there's the potential for sensitive data to be mishandled. Are we sure that this data is secure? What if the AI makes a mistake? What if it accidentally accesses information it shouldn't? And on top of that, what happens if someone uses ChatGPT Agent maliciously? If a bad actor were to gain control of a ChatGPT agent account, they could potentially execute tasks without the user's consent. It's a huge security risk that needs to be addressed before this kind of technology becomes widespread. So while ChatGPT agent can be super useful, we need strong safeguards to protect personal data and ensure that this powerful tool isn't misused. Okay, let's zoom out for a second. We've been talking about how ChatGPT agent can perform tasks today, but what about tomorrow? What happens when this technology becomes more refined and widespread? Right now, ChatGPT agent is just dipping its toes into autonomy, but the possibilities are endless. Imagine an AI that could autonomously manage your entire online life, from scheduling your calendar, to handling your finances, to even doing your shopping, all without you needing to lift a finger. The implications for efficiency are massive. And we're talking about a world where AI could take over all the repetitive tasks in our lives. It could save us so much time, but also make us question the role of humans in certain industries. Will there be jobs that AI like ChatGPT agent can perform better than us? And what does that mean for the future of work? All right, let's wrap this up. ChatGPT agent is incredible. There's no denying that. It can automate tasks, save time, and improve productivity. It's like having an assistant that can handle the boring stuff for you while you focus on the creative, impactful work. However, I do think there's a need for some caution. As we start using more autonomous AI like ChatGPT agent, we have to think carefully about privacy, security, and the future of work. This is a tool that has massive potential, but we must ensure it's used responsibly. We've got a huge update in the world of AI that's going to change how we interact with technology forever. I'm talking about ChatGPT agent, a new feature from OpenAI that's taking the capabilities of ChatGPT to the next level. This AI isn't just about answering questions anymore. It's about getting things done. I mean, it can actually complete tasks for you autonomously, like booking appointments, filling out forms, and even bypassing those irritating CAPTCHAs. But the question is this really as revolutionary as it sounds? Let's dive into it. ChatGPT has been a powerful tool for conversation, but the latest version ChatGPT agent is something else entirely. The big difference here is that ChatGPT agent doesn't just talk or give you information. It can do things for you. We're talking about actually executing tasks that would normally require your interaction on a computer or smartphone. For instance, if you need to make a reservation, ChatGPT agent can handle the entire process. You just tell it what you need, and it goes ahead and fills out the forms for you, makes decisions, and even interacts with websites. Think of it as your personal AI assistant that's no longer just a helper. It's a doer. It's almost like having a virtual assistant that's smart enough to do the heavy lifting for you. If you've got an appointment to book or a task to complete, you won't have to worry about handling all the details anymore. So, how does ChatGPT agent work? Great question. It's not just magic. This feature is powered by advanced AI algorithms that allow it to understand tasks, break them down into manageable steps, and execute them with precision. It uses a combination of web scraping, natural language understanding, and decision-making to handle tasks across various platforms. For example, say you're signing up for a new service. ChatGPT agent can extract the details from the website, fill in your personal information, and complete the process without you ever needing to click anything. Not only that, it can handle multiple step tasks. Imagine trying to buy concert tickets or book a hotel room. You tell ChatGPT what you need, and it navigates the entire website for you, making the decisions on your behalf. What makes ChatGPT agent so powerful is its ability to automate complex tasks. And when we say complex, we're talking about multi-step processes that usually require your attention. For example, let's say you want to sign up for a newsletter, make a purchase, and schedule a meeting all in one go. Normally, you'd have to go through each of these actions yourself. But ChatGPT Agent can handle all of them at once, saving you time and effort. It's pretty mind-blowing when you think about it. Not only can ChatGPT manage single tasks, but it can also juggle multiple tasks simultaneously, just like a real-life assistant. And because it's powered by AI, it learns and improves the more you use it. It's pretty mind-blowing when you think about it. Not only can ChatGPT manage single tasks, but it can also juggle multiple tasks simultaneously, just like a real-life assistant. And because it's powered by AI, it learns and improves the more you use it. So let's talk about real-world applications for ChatGPT Agent. How can it make life easier for people in their day-to-day activities? Let's explore some use cases. First up, for busy professionals, ChatGPT Agent can handle all the routine tasks you'd normally dread. Need to schedule an interview, fill out a report, and send follow-up emails? ChatGPT Agent can do that for you. All you need to do is give it the instructions. For students, it could take care of administrative tasks like filling out scholarship applications, submitting assignments, or even registering for classes, making it the perfect study companion. And don't even get me started on how useful this could be for people running online businesses. ChatGPT Agent can manage your online orders, track inventory, and even respond to customer service requests without you needing to do a thing. It's like having a whole team of assistants working round the clock for you. Now, with any new AI technology, there are always concerns. And let me tell you, ChatGPT Agent is no different. Sure, it sounds amazing, but let's address some of the potential risks. First and foremost, there's the issue of privacy. ChatGPT Agent can interact with websites, fill out forms, and make purchases on your behalf. That's a lot of sensitive information for an AI to handle. How secure is that data? Are we sure it won't be exposed or misused? On top of that, let's talk about ethical concerns. If ChatGPT Agent is performing tasks for people without direct oversight, what happens if it makes a mistake? What if it accidentally orders something for you, or sends an email you didn't intend to send? Before this becomes a mainstream tool, we'll need strong regulations and safeguards in place to make sure our personal data stays private and secure. So where does this all lead? ChatGPT Agent is only the beginning. Imagine a future where AI is fully autonomous, handling all of your personal and professional tasks. It could change the way we work, live, and even interact with the world around us. In the next few years, we could see a world where you don't have to do anything at all. You'll just tell your AI assistant what you need, and it will get it done. Whether that's booking a vacation, handling your finances, or even coordinating with other people, this level of AI could change everything. Of course, with all of this comes the need for careful planning. How will we ensure AI like ChatGPT Agent doesn't take over too much of our lives? And how do we balance the need for automation with the need for human oversight? So my thoughts? ChatGPT Agent is incredible. It has the potential to make our lives so much easier, handling the tasks we don't want to deal with. But we have to proceed with caution. As powerful as it is, it's still in its early stages, and we need to ensure privacy, security, and ethical guidelines are in place as we move forward. Overall, I'm excited to see where this goes. If the team behind ChatGPT can address the concerns and improve on the technology, we might just be looking at the future of AI. Alright, that's it for today's video. What do you think about ChatGPT Agent? Do you see this as the future of AI, or do you have some concerns about its potential? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked this video, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more AI updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Stay curious.